my channel. If you don't already know me, I am Katie, and today I am going to do a get it all done with me power hour. I would love it if you subscribed. It completely makes my day, and don't forget to hit the bell so you get notified of new videos. If you don't know what a power hour is, it's basically an hour spent completely focused on task, getting jobs done that you might otherwise just neglect. So for me, that is vacuuming the whole house, it is mopping the floors because they are absolutely filthy, it is time to change all the bedding, so I'm going to strip all the beds down first, and then at the end of the hour I will remake all of the beds, and it's dusting, it's polishing mirrors, it's emptying the bins, all those niggly tasks, just get them all done in 1 hour and you're good to go. I've set the children off on some jobs, so we've got Grace doing some maths and the other two are busy doing some crafty thing in the playroom, and it means that I can get on with my hour, hopefully uninterrupted. My top tip is to set yourself a timer, because with a timer set, it just means that you are against the clock and you just got to keep going until you're done, and you end up actually making better use of your time than you would if you had not set a timer. So I'm going to set a timer on my phone and I'm going to get going. girls' room because they are in the middle of building a den or something. I don't know. I think they're going to sleep in there. And William's bedding is all drying on the line because he had an accident last night. So I'm not going to change that yet either. Let's have a look at the timer. There we go. With time to spare, there you go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it has inspired you to do your own power hour. You don't have to do the same things as me. Just set yourself a timer for an hour. Let me know how you get on in the comments, or if you already do a power hour, what is it that you do in your power hour? And I will be back next week with another upload. Bye.